Hey there, everybody. Just made it to deer camp. Just wanted to do a little rundown real quick of the differences between getting ready for deer camp and the haul versus just doing an overland trip. Pack a lot more stuff when it comes to deer camp. Poor Jeep is completely packed down, loaded. Fridge is full, cooler's full of ice, all my hunting clothes, all my cooking gear, all my fire starters and lanterns and lights and all that good stuff. My bow, my guns, clothes, everything that goes with it.